On your desktop, open the search menu, type Create a Restore Point, and open the utility. Now click on System Restore. If you find two options here, choose Recommended Restore. The other one lets you manually pick a restore point, while with Recommended Restore, you go with what Windows thinks is best. Verify the restore details, that is, the time and description, and click on Finish. Click Yes and wait for the restore to complete. It typically takes 30 to 45 minutes. In System Properties, click on System Restore. If you don't find the Recommended Restore option, click on Next to proceed. Pick a restore point here. The higher up it is on the list, the more recent the restore point. Make sure you pick a restore point created before the problem first appeared. Again, click Next. Now, verify the restore details, that is, the point your Windows PC will be restored to, and click on Finish. Finally, click Yes in the confirmation prompt. The restore process should take 30 to 45 minutes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.